Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I want to share with you a really small Target Bullseye Playground one spot haul. I am trying to put myself on a budget, so I was trying not to go over $20 at the Target one spot, and I really wasn't going to plan on going, but JJ missed the bus, so I end up going to see what they have. So let me share with you the few items that I picked up. Most of them are Valentine's Day, and I really wasn't going to pick up anything, but I was going to decorate a little bit for Valentine's Day, and I decorate for Valentine's Day because I like it and because it's my birthday as well. So I did pick up this special delivery little mailbox, and Josiah just got a kick out of the other little mailbox. Although this is not tin, it looks like it is, but it's that cardboard, and I thought it was really cute. It was $3. Here is the DCPI number. And he's coming over here to look at it. But you cannot play with this, Saya. So it has like a little door that you can open right there in the back. Oh, I'm sorry, you gecko today. And then he has this little costume on. So it's $3. It's a little small one. They have another pattern as well. I saw a lot of the coffee signs. They were so cute, and I talked myself out of it because I really don't have anywhere to really hang it. But now I think about it, I should probably move my toaster oven to that corner over there. But I have this little sign that says made with love. It's a really small sign, and it was $1. Josiah, you're moving my tripod.
I was looking.
Let's see, there's the number, guys.
It will get same to
there you
the
go.
big one. It will get same.
And then I also picked up some washi tape, guys. I didn't need any, but I wanted this washi tape that said the XO in the black. And I think all the DCPI numbers, I need to repaint my nails, are the same for the washi. I picked up this one that says love. What's Sasa?
It might mess up it when you put tools in there.
No, that's not to play with because it will tear up. And then this one here with the black hearts. And then while I was in there, I texted my mom because she forwarded me someone's video. I'm not sure who it was, and I didn't watch it all the way through because I think I was doing something. And she liked a lot of the mugs, so I messaged her back and took pictures of what mugs they did have. And the one that had love, that was kind of like a matte finish, it was really scratched up. So I showed her these, and they only had them in red, white, and black. She liked the black one.
I was trying to sing this.
He is excited about that little mailbox. So I also picked up the PS I Love You, and I just wanted to sit this like maybe on a little vignette. This was $1, and this probably is the same DCPI number as the other one, if you guys can see that. And then this one here that says XOXO. And they did have a lot of the other signs, but I just picked up the little ones because I have some from previous years. And I'm going to do an unboxing of all of that decor. One of these little skis from the previous years, and they also had them in white as well, but I went with the natural finish. And I decided, which I saw a couple of other people do, is leave their little Christmas tree up. So I really like the Christmas trees that had the little canvas bag from on the bottom. The little burlap on the bottom of the Christmas trees, I liked them. I didn't want to put them up from Dollar General, so I left them out. So I'm going to pair this with that little, make a little vignette. And here's the DCPI number for these. I didn't get these years ago when they first came out, so I wanted those. I really wanted two. I like to buy stuff in twos, and I was like, no hope. So I also picked up the Ready, Set, Learn, the handwriting practice for Josiah. These are really good books. They were $3. Really good sturdy books. And he can use the dry erase marker for this. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So he can practice. It's time to register him for kindergarten. So I need to do that. And then phonics practice for this one. And they had another one called Alphabet. alphabet practice. I should have got it, but if they have it when I go back, I'll get it. It was a little different from this one. And here is the DCPI number for that one. And that's all I picked up from Target, guys. I did go in there to get the little binders for $3. That's the main reason why these here, for something I want to work on, but they didn't have them. And I didn't want to spend $3.99 on the regular aisle to get them. So I said I'd just wait. But you know what? I should have probably checked in the back of the store to see if they had any markdown. I didn't do that. So guys, thanks so much for watching this small little haul from Target. I did good sticking to a budget. And thanks so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye-bye.